Let's bake some sugar cookies for Santa this Christmas. Keep your remote handy so you can pause as you bake. For this recipe, you will need mixing bowls, hand mixer, stand mixer, or whisk, measuring spoons, measuring cup, scraping spatula, slotted spatula, rolling pin, cookie cutters, cookie sheets, wire cookie rack for cooling cookies, oven mitts. Are you ready? Let's get festive. Here are your cookie ingredients and the directions, as well as the icing ingredients and the directions. Let's get started on the cookies. Before we get started, always remember to cook with an adult and let them handle anything hot. Ask an adult to set the oven to 350 degrees. In a small bowl, add 3 cups of flour. In the same small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. In the same small bowl, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. Add 1 cup of softened butter to a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar to the mixing bowl. Using a mixer, beat the butter and sugar. Add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk to the butter mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract to the mixture. Mix until combined. You can either refrigerate the dough for 2 hours or overnight. Cover the dough when refrigerating. Or if you don't want to wait, begin rolling out your cookies. They'll be a little puffy after baking. On a lightly floured surface, roll the dough into a 1/4 inch thickness. Use fun Christmas cookie cutters to cut out your favorite shapes. Bake cookies on a baking sheet for 10 minutes, or until the edges are just beginning to turn golden. Let the cookies cool for about 5 minutes on the baking sheet before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Then you can decorate with icing.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Time for magical icing. Place 2 cups of confectioner's or powdered sugar in a bowl. Place 4 tablespoons of milk in the bowl. Place 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in the bowl. Place a pinch of salt in the bowl. Mix all of the ingredients well. You may mix with a standing mixer, electric hand mixer, or a whisk. If you want a thicker icing, you can add up to a cup more of sugar. To thin the icing, add a teaspoon of milk at a time and mix well. Ready, set, pipe. Decorate with love and enjoy. We are excited to see what designs you create. Make sure you save some for Santa. Set those cookies and milk out the night before Christmas. Santa's elves. In the workshop up high, where the snowflakes do fall, the elves are all busy, preparing for all. With tiny tools, they tinker away, making toys for the children on Christmas Day. They sew, they paint, they glue, they stack, building dolls, trains, and a toy racetrack. Laughter and giggles fill the air as they wrap the presents with love and care. At night, they gather around the fire's glow, telling stories of Christmas long ago. With hats and shoes and pointed ears, they share in the magic that Christmas brings near. They sing a song with voices so bright, wishing good cheer on this silent night. Ho, 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 the joy is here. Merry Christmas to all, far and near. So, when you hang your stockings with delight, think of the elves, working through the night. They help Santa bring joy with all their might and make the holiday season sparkle so bright. Remember, Christmas is really a time to be grateful and kind. It's a time for love and giving cheer to those we hold dear.
Yo ho ho!
Merry Christmas!
Enjoy your holiday season from your learning friends at Jilly Corner.